The BRAVIA 9 Mark II features a specially coated screen designed to help deliver its premium viewing experience. And keeping it looking its best is easy when you follow a few simple steps. Now, for everyday dust or fingerprints, start with a clean, dry microfiber cloth and gently wipe the screen. If something happens to not come off, lightly moisten the microfiber cloth with distilled water. The cloth should be damp, not dripping. Gently wipe the area, then finish with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any remaining streaks. Now, for more stubborn spots, you can use 70% isopropyl alcohol or 70% ethanol. Lightly moisten the microfiber cloth and gently wipe the affected area. But here's the most important thing I need you to remember. Always apply the liquid to the microfiber cloth, never directly on the screen. And stick with microfiber. Avoid paper towels, tissues, gauze, or other materials that aren't recommended for the screen. That's all there is to it. With the right cloth, the right cleaning method, and a gentle touch, you can keep your BRAVIA 9 Mark II screen looking its best. Thanks for watching.